Hey, great day to you. Amazon seller Vova Evan here, and I welcome you to get a free Amazon PPC audit done for you by IG PPC. The link is going to be down in the description to this landing page where you will be able to fill your information and then simply click on send message, and the guys will get back to you and they will help you with the free Amazon PPC audit. Basically, they'll explain to you how your Amazon PPC is performing on Amazon, whether you're doing well or maybe not at all, and I'll give you recommendations for Amazon PPC. IG PPC is run by Isaac Gross. Recently, we created a video here, Amazon Product Launch Step by Step, on my YouTube channel, so you can watch it. It's going to be down in the description as well, and you can learn more about Isaac. And if you want to learn more about IG PPC, here are just a few things from their about page of IG PPC. Great retention rate. They work with big accounts. They manage a lot of annual sales, basically over 1.5 billion in 2021, and it's over 2 billion at this point. So check out the link in the description to get your free Amazon PPC audit by IG PPC. And I believe guys will be able to help you with your Amazon PPC. Also, they can do it for you as an agency. They can take it off your shoulders and run it for you. And they have many years of experience. You can also check out their about page and you can see some testimonials. Generally, you can see some case studies on their website. I'm going to have the link down in the description to this page where you can contact them, get your free Amazon PPC audit, and I believe they're going to be able to help you. The link itself is going to be an affiliate link, so if you ever will be doing business with IG PPC, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way you can support my free content. I've created over 800 videos here in English for you, and I believe over 300 in different other languages such as Russian and Hebrew. Thank you for watching my stuff, and I hope it helps you. So the link to the free Amazon PPC audit is in the description. You have a great day and great life. Thank you.